Welcome back to IGCSE Science Academy, where science made simpler and easier. Watch the video till end to clearly understand the differences between core and extended along with all the units and subtopics of each. In this video, we are going to study IGCSE Biology according to the Cambridge syllabus, covering both core and extended students. This lesson is designed to help you understand concepts clearly and score maximum marks in the exam. Course Overview IGCSE Biology 0610 studies living organisms and life processes. Biology 0610 is taught at two levels, core and extended. Extended includes all core content plus additional depth. Assessment Structure Overview. Let's discuss them one by one. Core assessment structure. First, let's talk about the core level. Core students appear in three components. Paper 1, multiple choice questions, that is MCQs. This paper tests your basic concept. This unit is about the characteristics of living organisms. At core level, students learn Mrs. Crane, the 7 characteristics of living organisms. At extended level, students explain these characteristics with application and examples. This unit is about classification in biodiversity. Here at core level, students study the kingdoms of living organisms. Core kingdom classification. At extended level, students learn binomial nomenclature with explanation and examples. Extended. This video is about unit cell. At core level, students learn the basic structures of cells, that is animals and plant cells. Students are expected to know that cells are basic unit of the life, identify and this unit is about biological molecules. At core level, students learn the main types of biological molecules found in living organisms. Students are expected to know the names of biological molecules like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, or lipids. This unit is about enzymes. At core level, students learn the basic function of enzymes. Students are expected to know that enzymes are proteins, understand that enzymes act as biological catalysts, know that enzymes speed up chemical reactions in living organisms. This unit is about plant nutrition. At core level, students learn the basic processes of photosynthesis. Students are expected to know that photosynthesis is the process by which green plants make their own food. Recall the word equation for photosynthesis, like carbon dioxide plus water. This unit is about animal nutrition. At core level, students learn the structure and basic function of the human digestive system. Students are expected to identify the main organs of the digestive systems, like mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine.
Xylem transports water and minerals from roots to the rest of the plant. It also gives support to the plant. Phloem transports food, sugars made in leaves to all parts of the plant. Together, they are vascular tissues found in the core of plants and help in transport and growth. Transpiration is the process by which plants lose water as water vapor from their leaves, mainly through stomata. Key points: occurs mostly in leaves. Helps in cooling the plant, creates transpiration pull, helping water move upward from roots. Maintains water balance in the plant. Types: brief, stomatal transpiration, through stomata, most common. Cuticular transpiration, through leaf surface. Lenticular transpiration, through lenticels, in woody plants. 1. Core, xylem, and phloem. 2. Extended transpiration details. Transport in plants.
This unit is about transport in animals. At extended level, students learn the basic structure and function of the heart and blood. Students are expected to identify the main parts of the heart, arteries, ventricles, and veins, know the function of blood components, red blood cells, transport oxygen. The next unit, respiration. At core level, students learn the basic concept of aerobic respiration. Students are expected to know that aerobic respiration uses oxygen. Recall the word equation for aerobic respiration, that is glucose plus oxygen. This unit is about gas exchange. At core level, students learn the gas exchange surface in living organisms. Students are expected to know that gas exchange involves the exchange of oxygen. This unit is about excretion. At core level, students learn the basic functions of kidneys. Students are expected to know that excretion is the removal of waste products from the body, understand the role of kidneys in removing urea from the blood, regulating water and salt. This unit is about coordination and response. At core level, students learn the structure and function of the nervous system. Students are expected to know that the nervous system controls and coordinates body activities, identify the main parts, brain, spinal cord, nerves, understand that neurons carry electrical. This unit is about reproduction. At core level, students learn the basic structure and function of the human reproductive system. Students are expected to identify the male and female reproductive organs, testes, penis, ovaries, ureters, etc. Understand the basic processes of reproduction, production of. This unit is about inheritance. At core level, students learn the basic concepts of inheritance, that is DNA and genes. Students are expected to know that DNA is the genetic material in the cells, understand that genes are segments of DNA that carry instructions for. This topic is about variation and selection. At core level, students learn the different types of variation in organisms. Students are expected to know that variation is the differences between individuals of the same species. Identify types of variation, that is continuous. This unit is about organisms and environment. At core level, students learn the basic concepts of food chain. Students are expected to know that a food chain shows how energy flows from one organism to another. Identify the roles of organisms in a food chain: producers, consumers, decomposers. Next unit is human influences. At core level, students learn the basic types and effects of pollution. Students are expected to know that human activities cause pollution of air, water, and land. Identify types of pollution: air pollution, for example, vehicle exhaust. At last, let's discuss about exam tips. Learn key definitions, practice diagrams. Extended students must cover all core content. Use correct biological terms. So for core students, definitions, diagrams, basic processes, and for thank you for watching. Subscribe to IGCSE Science Academy. More biology lessons coming soon. We also solve past papers step by step to help you score top marks. From cell to ecology, we will cover all the units of biology 0610.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update.